Hello guys, welcome to our video tutorials. So today our topic is all about ideal gas law, and here is our sample problem. The temperature of 3 liters of gas is changed from 27 degrees Celsius to negative 10 degrees Celsius at constant pressure. What is the new volume? So our given here for temperature 1 is 27 degrees Celsius, temperature 2 is equal to negative 10 degrees Celsius, and volume 1 is equal to 3 liters. So we need to find the new volume. Now we'll use the formula for combined gas law. So since our problem is at constant pressure, we will cancel out the pressure, the P1 and P2. Then we will come up with this equation. V1 over T1 is equal to V2 over T2. Now, solving for V2, we will use this equation. V1 times T2 over T1. So, 3 liters times negative 10 plus 273.15, since we need to convert it into Kelvin since it is in Celsius, then over 27 degrees plus 273, again we will convert it. So our new volume is 2.63 liters. So that is our final answer. Thank you for listening, guys.